Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn properties of a triangles. Properties of a triangles. So a triangle is a simple closed curve made of three segments. A triangle has three sides and three angles, and all three sides and angles are called six elements of the triangle. A triangle is a simple closed curve made up of three segments. A triangle has three sides and three angles. And all three sides and angles are called six elements of the triangle. What is a triangle? Triangle is a simple closed figure bounded by three line segments. So triangle ABC having a vertices A, B and C and sides. A, B and C are sides. A, B, B, C and CA. A, B, B, C and CA. So what is a triangle? Triangle is a simple closed curve. Okay. Next, classification of a triangle. What is a classification of a triangle? So there are seven triangle: acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle, equiangular triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scale and triangle. Okay, what is an acute angle triangle? Already you know that the acute, obtuse and right angle triangle, isn't it? Okay, acute angle triangle. Three acute angles are called acute angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle, one obtuse angle and two acute angle, that is called an obtuse angle. Next one, right angle triangle. What is a right angle triangle? Right angle triangle means the triangle split into two angles, right angle triangle and left angle triangle. So right angle triangle means 90 degree. That is one right angle triangle. Next one is a equiangular triangle. Three equal acute angles are called equiangular triangle. Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, that is called a equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle, at least two equal sides. Isosceles means two sides are equal, one side is different, that is called a isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two sides are same and one side is different, that is called a isosceles triangle. Scale and triangle means all the sides have different, that is called a scale and triangle. These are the triangles of a classification, isn't it? Okay, next, types of a triangles and the basis of sides. Already know that classification of a triangle. So scale and triangle. If all the sides of a triangles are unequal. Scale and triangle means all the sides are unequal, that is called the sides are different. For example, 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm, these sides are different, that is called a scale and triangle. Isosceles triangle, if any two sides of a triangles are equal, called isosceles triangle. If any two sides of a triangles are equal, that is called isosceles triangle. Next one is isosceles means two sides are equal, one side is different, that is called isosceles triangle. Scale and triangle means all the sides are different, that is called a scale and triangle. Next one is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. For example, 3 cm, 3 cm, 3 cm. So all the sides are equal. Another one is a 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. So these are called equilateral triangle. Types of angles on the basis of angles. Acute angle triangle, if all the three angles of a triangle are acute angle. Right angle triangle, if one angle of a triangle is a right angle triangle, is called right angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle, if one angle of a is obtuse, it is called obtuse angle triangle. Medians of a triangle. So medians of a triangle, the line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite is called a median of a triangle. Okay, the line segment. So This is a line segment, median. So red color line is a medians. The triangle to the midpoint of the side is called a median of a triangle. Altitude of a triangle, the perpendicular line segment. So perpendicular line segment means B to C, A to D. That is called a perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite sides of the triangle. Next one is a properties of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. So an exterior angle plus adjacent angles. So exterior means, what is an exterior triangle? The interior of a triangle is the inside region of the triangle, and exterior is the outside the triangle. Exterior is the region outside the triangle. That is the exterior of a triangle. An exterior angle plus adjacent interior. That is called the exterior angle of a triangle. Outer side of a region is called exterior angle. Okay. So adjacent angle triangle. These are adjacent angle triangle, and an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its two interior opposite angles. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its two interior opposite angles. Sum of a triangle is 180 degree. All the sides added is equal to 180 degree. Do you understand? Pythagoras property. What is the Pythagoras property? Already you know that. What is in Pythagoras? There is a right angle triangle. Remember to the right angle triangle. What is a right angle triangle? Right angle triangle means 90 degree. So 90 degree, the triangle is split into the two triangles. That is one triangle is a right angle triangle. So right angle triangles 90 degree. The right angle triangle, the square of a hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. In a right angle triangle, the square of a hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. In this figure, AB plus BC equal to AC. Classification of a triangle. So classification of a triangle means sides and angles are called classification of a triangle. Classification of a triangle, already know that equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scale and triangle. So equilateral triangle, what is an equilateral triangle? All the sides are equal. Very good. All the sides are equal. That is called an equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, one side is different. That is called an isosceles triangle. Scale and triangle. What is a scale and triangle? All the sides are different. That is called a scale and triangle. Okay, very good. So next, different types of a triangle. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scale and triangle, right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. Already you know that all the triangles. Okay. Altitude of a triangle. The perpendicular line segment from a vertex to its opposite side is called the altitude of a triangle. The perpendicular line segment. So A to C, B to H. These are called the perpendicular vertex to its perpendicular line segment. From a vertex to its opposite side is called the altitude triangle. So altitude means center of the angle is altitude. Okay, triangle ABC. H to C or C to H base. These are called the altitude of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. The exterior angle of the triangle is equal to the sum of its two interior opposite angles. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its two interior opposite angle. D plus C is equal to 180 degree. D is equal to A plus B. Medians of a triangle. A median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. The triangle has three medians. Median of a triangle. A median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. So that is called the median of a triangle. In a triangle ABC, if angle A is equal to 70 degree and angle B equal to 63 degree, find the angle C. So two angles are there. Find it one angle. So sum of the angles of a triangle is already know the sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. So all the angles are added to all the angles. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So 72 degree plus 63 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So angle C, so added to 72 degree plus 63 degree. 70 degree plus 63 degree. So added plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So 135 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. Angle C is equal to 45 degree. Angle C measures 45 degree. Do you understand? Sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. So find the angle C. A plus B added to the angle, sum of the angle A plus B, 72 degree plus 63 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So add at 135 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So angle C value 45 degree. In triangle XYZ, if X equal to 90 degree, angle Z is equal to 48 degree, find angle Y. Same method, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. And 90 degree plus angle Y plus 48 degree is equal to 180 degree. So add the triangle 90 degree plus 48 degree, 138 degree, 180 degree minus 138 degree, angle Y equal to 42 degree. Find the angles of a triangle which are in the ratio 4:3:2. Suppose the angles of the triangles are 4x degree, 3x degree, 2x degree. Sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. Added to the all the angles 4x degree plus 3x degree plus 2x equal to 180 degree. Totaling 9x equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 divided by 9. X equal to 20 degree. Therefore, the angles of the triangles are 4 into 20. Substitute the angle of x equal to 20 degree. 4 into x, 4 into 20 equal to 80 degree. 3 into 20 equal to 60 degree. 2 into 20 equal to 40 degree. So add the angles, sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Do you understand? One of the acute angles of a triangle is 36 degree. Find the other. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Suppose the other angle measures x. It is a right angle triangle, hence one of the angle is 90, one of the angle is 90 degree. Okay, one angle is 90 degree. Then one of the acute angle of a triangle, right angle triangle is 30 degree. So equal to, then 36 degree plus 90 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 54 degree. 36 plus 90, 126. So 126 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. So transpose to 126 degree minus. So 180 degree minus 126 degree. So value x is equal to 54. The other angle measures 54 degree. The acute of a right angle triangle are in the ratio 2:1. Find each of these triangle. Suppose the acute angles 2x degree and x degree. 2x degree and x degree. Sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. 2x plus x plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. So 2x plus x 3x. 3x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. 3x equal to 180 minus 90. 3x equal to 90 degree. So x equal to 90 divided by 3. So 30 degree. The angles measures 2 into 30 degree, 2 into 30 degree and 30 degree, 60 degree. So 2 3s are 6, sorry, 2 30s are 60 and 30 degree. The acute angle of a triangle 2:1. Find each of these triangles, sum of the acute angle triangle. So 2x and x. Sum of the angles of a triangle 180 degree. 2x plus x plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. 3x equal to 180 minus 90. 3x equal to 90 degree. X equal to 30 degree. One of the angles of a triangle is 100 degree and the other two angles are equal. Find each of the equal angles. The other two angles are equal. Let one of these angles be x. Sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. So sum of the angles 180 degree. X plus 100 equal to 180 degree. 2x equal to 180 minus 100, 80 degree. 2x equal to 80 degree. X equal to 80 divided by 2, 40 degree. The equal angles of the triangles are 40 degree. Each of the two angles of an isosceles triangle is twice of the third angle. Find the angles of the triangle. Suppose the third angle of isosceles triangle is x degree. Two equal angles are 2x degree and 2x degree. Sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. So 2x plus 2x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 5x is equal to 180 degree. X equal to 36 degree. 180 divided by 5. So totally 36 degree. The angles of the triangles are 36 degree. 2 into 36 and 2 into 36. 36 into 236 are 72. And 236 are 72 degree. So other angle is 36 degree. In the figure given alongside, find the measures of angle ACD. Angle A 75 degree. Angle B 45 degree. Find the exterior angle C. So we know that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. Sum of its interior opposite angle. Angle ACD equal to angle CAB plus angle CBA. CAB. Angle ACD equal to 75 degree plus 45 degree. So totally 120 degree. In the figure given alongside, find the values of x and y. So we know that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Angle BAC plus angle ABC equal to angle ACD. Angle ABC plus angle BAC equal to angle ACD. So angle ABC x degree plus 68 degree is equal to 130 degree. Sum of the interior opposite angle. So 130 degree minus 68 degree, x equal to 60 degree. Sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. Angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. 62 degree plus 68 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. 62 plus 68, 130 degree. 130 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Y is equal to 50 degree. Find the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, the other two sides of which measures 9 cm and 12 cm. Suppose the length of the hypotenuse is 8 cm. Pythagoras theorem, a square is equal to 9 square plus 12 square. 9 square, 9 9s are 81, 12 12s are 144. A square is equal to 225. A is equal to root 225. A is equal to 15. 15 into 15, 225. So hence length of the hypotenuse is 15 cm. Find the length of the hypotenuse of a triangle, the other two sides of the which measures 9 cm and 12 cm. Suppose the angles of the hypotenuse 8 cm. Hypotenuse is 8 cm. So Pythagoras theorem, a square is equal to 9 square plus 12 square. A square is equal to 9 9s are 81, 12 12s are 144. So a square is equal to 225. So root 225 15. A square is equal to root 225. A is equal to root 225. A is equal to 15. The length of the hypotenuse is 15 cm. In a triangle DEF, if angle E is equal to 105 degree, angle F is equal to 40 degree, find angle D. Sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. In angle DEF, angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. Angle D plus 105 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 145 degree, angle D plus 145 degree equal to 180 degree. plus angle transpose to minus 145 degree. So 180 degree minus 145 degree, angle D is equal to 35 degree. Thank you students. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Thank you.